Hello everyone, Tim from Blackman and Crypto, your go-to channel for crypto news, blockchain updates, and altcoin gems that are currently on my radar. If you want to learn how to make money with crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to talk about Pancake Swap, what to do, and what not to do. Let's go over that right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Before I get into the video, please like the video, hit that thumbs up button, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel. It really helps this channel and other crypto channels as well. To get right into today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stake your coins that you already have in your wallet for, basically you can 1000x your money. These right now, the APY is 380% per year. If we go and look at the farms right here, it will take us and show us all the farms right now where you can put your coins. So let me pull up the tiles view. So as you can see, pretty much every pair, you got BNB and Cake token right here, which is their native token here. It was just $17 last week. It's currently up 100% in just a week and a half. But if you scroll down here, you can see these are all the pairs. You got BNB, and I am not sure what this one is here, but as you can see, all these are pairs that you can provide. And you're probably like, well, what do you mean I can provide? You can provide liquidity into these farms, or you have pools up here, which basically you can stake your stake Cake tokens right here for an APR of 93.66%. Just instead of having them in your wallet, you're staking them in this pool and you're earning money. So to get back to the farms here, I am going to pick a liquidity pair. I already have some BNB in my wallet. I'm going to scroll down here and look for a liquidity pair that I want to do. I'm not sure what this one is. Let's see here. Here's a good one. I always try to look for anything that is above 300% APR. I'm always trying to get at least 1% APR per day. Because as you can see, let's just click on this one for right here. That is 2000% in a year, just on this pair right here. But that's not the pair that I want to do. That's not the pair I am interested in. I am going to go back up to this other view right here. That way I can see the numbers here all right in front of me, a lot clearer. I was doing Horizon earlier. I made I don't know, like $6 just overnight by doing that. Again, guys, this is some BNB that I already have in my wallet. I am going to do this easy right here. That one is 1%, 1.01% per day, which equals out to 3,857% APR. Now that's calculated based on, current rates compounding once daily. Rates or estimates provide, okay, yada, yada, yada. So to do this, you need to have some liquidity pair. So to do that, you go up to the exchange here, and right now here's their exchange. It's kind of just like Uniswap, but it's BNB's version. It's on the Binance Smart Chain network. So we're going to go over here to liquidity, and we want to add liquidity. Now I need to connect my wallet. Now again, guys, let me show you my wallet here. This is something that is a browser extension. It is something that you can download either on your Brave browser, or it's basically it's a Chrome extension wallet. So I will bring this up here right now. Bring this up and show you this. Alright guys, as you can see, I got 2 BNB in my wallet right now. So what I'm going to do is I am going to unlock my wallet. And it's right here. You can do MetaMask, guys, but you know, I use my MetaMask for anything Ethereum, really. It's an Ethereum wallet, has an Ethereum address to it, so I am not going to use Binance. I like to stay within the chain. Pancake Swap is on Binance Smart Chain blockchain, so I am sticking with Binance Chain wallet. So it pulls, it sees how many tokens I have here. Let me close that out. So there's my BNB right here. Actually, you know what? I have to back up because I need some of this easy token in order to provide liquidity into that pair. So to do that, you need equal amounts. So I'm going to exchange 1 BNB for 20 of these easy tokens, which is about the same amount. So I'm going to hit swap here, confirm swap, and when you do that, up will come your wallet. You scroll down here and you're going to pay a very, very, very small gas fee, guys. This is very, very minimal compared to the Ethereum blockchain. So now that's done. I verified that. So now we'll close this out. So now, as you can see, I have this in my wallet. We will come over here and hit liquidity. I don't have any liquidity pairs or tokens in my wallet right now. I'm going to hit add liquidity, and I'm going to add my BNB, and I'm going to select my easy token. I'm going to hit my max easy token. That'll leave me with some BNB left in my wallet. You always want to leave some BNB in your wallet for gas fees. Now they're very minimal, but you still want to leave some in your wallet, because if you don't, then you can get stuck until you have some BNB in your wallet to pay for gas fees. So I'm going to approve this. And again, my wallet is going to come up. It wants me to confirm it. There's no gas fee. It just wants me to confirm it. So I confirmed it. So it's approving easy. It's approving this. Waiting for it to get approved here. Should come up any minute. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. There we go. So now you hit supply, confirm supply. Again, your wallet is going to pop up here. You pay a very, very small gas fee. I think this is actually about 50 cents or so if I am correct. I'm going to hit confirm, and then that is done. So now I'm going to close this here. Let me get back to my full screen. So now that I have my liquidity tokens, I'm going to go down here to the farm that I want to put my tokens in. So, computer's kind of slow today, guys. So we scroll down here. I find my Easy and my BNB right here. I'm going to click Details, and I want to enable this farm. I click Enable. Again, your wallet is going to pop up. It wants you to confirm this. There's no gas fee here, guys. It just wants you to confirm this. Several layers of security here. Alright, so now we want to stake our LP tokens. So we hit stake, we hit max, we hit confirm. Up comes our wallet. We scroll down, we pay a very small gas fee again, guys. I think this is like 50 cents. Let's see if I can, there we go. Confirm that. And it's pending the confirmation. We wait for the confirmation to come through. And then we will be staking our pairs. So right here, it's got our pairs in here. And already, we're starting to earn. And in a minute here, it should kick in and show us. So far, we haven't even made a penny yet, guys. But you know, if you do your math on this, now let's look at these numbers right here. Alright guys, so if we click on this right here, you can see that this is currently at 1% a day. So in a year, I can make 3,537% as long as I compound once daily. So if you do the math, right now I've got a little over $1,000 of locked liquidity into this pair, and I'll probably be making around $10 a day or so. Now, you know, you do the math, and I've only got 1,000 in there. Well, if you got $10,000 in there of liquidity, then you know you're going to turn that $10 into $100. You know, if you have 100,000, if you're a high roller and you got hundreds of, BNB tokens, then, do the math. You can be making $1,000 a day. So, but for right now, for this video, guys, I just wanted to put $1,000 in there, liquidity. I'm going to do an update video in a couple of days just to let you know how this is going. And, what I look for, guys, is every day I'll go back into this and I'll look, because these are changing and these will change every day. And sometimes there'll be other pairs in here that will be making a lot more. So I will get out of this and get into another pair that is making more. But I always try to get at least 1% a day. I try to get 365%, if possible. Now, like I said, these numbers fluctuate a lot. But for the most part, you can always find something that'll give you at least 1% APR per day. Now, a very important note here, guys, just to go over here with the wallet. Let me bring this back up. So when you want to get out of this pool, and you put your coins back into this wallet, you need to make sure that you transfer the coins, your BNB, whatever is in this wallet here, you need to put them back onto the Binance Chain network, which is the mainnet. Okay? It's a little confusing. Binance Smart Chain and Binance Chain Network are two completely different things. They're on the same blockchain, but they're completely different. If you try to send these BNB, if I was trying to send BNB, if I hit send right here, up will come an address and an amount. Okay, well, that's not what you want, because when you're sending it to an exchange like Binance, they're going to ask you for a memo. The only way you can get that memo is if you try to send your tokens from the Binance main, the Binance chain network instead of the Binance Smart Chain network. A little confusing, guys, but I don't want you to lose your BNB. That's the most important thing about pointing this out right now. Speaking from experience, when I first got into this, I went to try to send some BNB from, it was actually from my MetaMask wallet, and I didn't send them back to my Binance wallet and back onto the main net, and I ended up losing my tokens. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys. So again, Pancake Swap, you can make a lot of money with Pancake Swap. You know, you just have to be careful about the coins that you're getting into. You know, I don't know anything about Easy Token, but I do know that it has been on here for a few. I don't plan on being an Easy Token for a long time. Like I said, I'll move these around. Like right now, the highest is 382%. Tomorrow, I may try to find something a little bit higher to get into. That's all I got for today's video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, decentralize to survive.